are circuits? A circuit is a closed path that an electrical current flows through. The word circuit kind of sounds like the word circle. This can help you remember that circuits must start and end at the same point because a circle starts and ends at the same point. A circuit has three parts. First is the voltage source, like a battery or a wall outlet. This provides the power for the circuit. Without this, there would be no electrical current. Next is the load. The load is what is being powered by the electricity, like a light bulb or a TV. It gets its name because it loads down the power supply, like if you were loaded down with lots of heavy books. The heavier the load is, the slower the circuit flow will be. Finally is the conductive path. This is how the current flows from the voltage source to the load. The conductive path must be made of a conductive material, like a metal wire, and it must be a complete circle or loop. If that circle is broken, it is now an open circuit. An open circuit cannot get the power from the voltage source to the load, so the load cannot work. This is what happens when you switch off a light. Opening a switch opens the circuit. The load no longer gets power from the voltage source, so the light goes off. There are two types of circuits. First is the series circuit. In a series circuit, there is only one path for the electricity to flow. That means if one piece is missing or broken, the circuit is open and none of the other pieces can get power. An example of this are Christmas tree lights. If one light burns out, the other lights will not work, so the whole string is a dud. In a series circuit, if one part stops, all the parts stop. Second is a parallel circuit. Parallel circuit each load has its own branch or path to get back to the power source. If one part of a parallel circuit stops working, all the other parts keep going. An example of this would be the lights in your house. If one light is turned off or burns out, all the other lights keep receiving power, so they keep working. Remember, circuits have three parts: a load, a conductive path, and a voltage source. All these parts must be connected in a circuit with no missing parts for the circuit to work. Never ever put both ends of the conductive path on a voltage source. The power source doesn't realize there is no load to use the power. All the electricity or power goes straight back to the voltage source or battery. This could cause the wire to burn or the battery to die or even explode. It is called short circuiting.